I was wounded in the firefight. I was shot 4 times.
I was an explosive ordnance disposal tech, which means I was military bomb squad.
I was married to Aaron 18 months before he was injured.
The physical aspect of me recovering was easy. The therapy, not a problem. But relationships, it was tough because I was my biggest enemy.
There was a lot of unknowns. What's daily life going to look like? What was dating going to look like?
I knew that it wouldn't be normal, but it's not something that ever deterred me from my relationship with Tyler.
The violence that was going on, you know, it was a constant, and it kind of came home with me after that deployment.
I know this isn't my husband. I know that something is wrong.
This overwhelming feeling of acceptance. Finally, here I was with someone that loved me for who I was.
We've gained a sense of humor, a lot of laughs in a bed where you're experimenting.
It was nothing attractive, nothing you're going to see in any type of Hollywood type movie or anything, but what did it mean to us? A whole lot more than that.
She held our marriage together even when I was unknowingly doing everything I could to end it.
I'm giving him something he never thought he could have, and it really means something when somebody says that to you.
I am so grateful. Every single person that helped him make it out of that battlefield that day.